BBY trade today? That's not how that works. If I just trade one share back and forth 70 million times, that doesn't mean all the shares have traded. Why do you have 135.12 and I have 134.93? Different data, probably. I have like the paid data, like the MBB or order book data. So pretty consistent pressure throughout the day. Looks like mostly buy orders for, well, not just weeklies, but lots of weeklies. Weekly is definitely leading the pack on the options bought today. Let's see. So yeah, about 1.6 million bought calls, 1.2 million sold, 536,000 sold puts, 300,000 bought puts. So not a lot of naked shorting on their end, but lots of bought calls. The majority of those being for July 8th and 15th at 1:30. So those are in the money. That's strong for tomorrow. But when they sell off, it will represent a large drop in the positive delta. So be warned of that going into tomorrow. That, you know, when those, especially those weeklies, right? That's like quite a lot of shares. When those sell off, it could represent quite a drastic drop in price. Wall Street bet degens, typical. Yeah, at least they bought near the money. What's the 600K traded on BBBY at close? Probably the like end of day like balance orders from NASDAQ or NYSE. NASDAQ, right? Yeah, BBBY is on NASDAQ. Got any? God damn it, chicken tender daddy, you son of a bitch. Copium and baseless assumptions have me predicting BBBY going to be crazy soon. RC purchase announcement incoming. Could be. We'll see. Be very exciting if they drop it in aftermarket one day, like today or tomorrow or the one after, maybe on the 15th. What about Bob Smith DD on 100% short interest? Haven't seen it. What kind of percentage drop does that amount of weeklies usually look like when applied to GME? 5 to 10% drop off? I mean, that'll depend on what comes in tomorrow, right? Like, tomorrow we may see an increase in like July 15 calls come in. But generally, as soon as they are at risk of going out of the money, people bail on them. What do you think about BTC bounce above 21K? I said it would. I agreed with you, you bastard. Oh, I thought you were being contrarian. Never mind. Do you see Elon's tweet about help the Earth's underpopulation rate? He's the best internet troll ever. No, he's an asshole. You got it, man. Spy tomorrow. What do you think? Good question. Really had a hard time pushing up today on very low volume. I don't know how sustained this price action is gonna remain. But it could be choppy for a while until some economic data comes in to reverse the trend. AMC ram hard 600% on weeklies. Just following the GME run. Nice. Thanks, Kirk. Have a good night. You too, man. Thanks for all you do. I'm twice the trader in 6 months, and I wasn't 2 years on my own. Your knowledge and efforts to pass it on are much appreciated. Thank you, Celtic Mako. I was gone for the days, holding calls through the split a good idea. You can. I mean, I can't say if it's a good idea or not. I don't know how you're going to exit the position or manage it. Is holding through fine? Yeah, if you manage it properly. Cat dropping like a rock. Nice. SPY flash dump 2%. The crash is coming. Why cat dump? I don't know. Everything looks like it's moving down hard in aftermarket. Someone have shitty earnings today or something? Tesla down 1.5% already. SPY didn't dump 2%. Get out of here. Anyway. So, yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. I still don't think they're going to have a lot of liquidity till Monday. So probably more internalization, more trying to keep us from climbing over to the next OI, like the next significant chunk of OI on the options chain after the cross of 130, which may not really exist at this point, but 0.03%, same like 2%? No. When do they have to dump internalization? Not in T+2. They can do it for a while. Crazy SPY candle. Interesting. I don't see it. I see the shift in VWAP, but I don't see the candle. I don't know. Maybe I'll check later or something. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you bright and early tomorrow for the final day of this very exciting week. Everybody get some sleep. See ya.